I choose this printer as I have constantly seen Brother providing support for open source software since a long time. The product is one of the most cost effective at this point of time in its category. This process is for Debian based distributions for 32-bit edition. There is only a minor difference in installing for 64-bit edition. I tried installing the printer using operating system settings. I thought it would be easier, but it didn't work. It's mentioned on the website that user has to install it using command line only and no other method would work. I tried all the options in the right pane of this dialog box. None of them worked. This is Ubuntu as a guest operating system on VirtualBox. I also tried these steps on my host machine later, but it didn't seem to work either. I am adding one more step to make the printer work, which is not mentioned on website's manual. I am covering it in this video. I am skipping discussing this input-output as it didn't work and proceeding with the additional step which worked. As a result of previous failure, I am thinking somehow AppArmor-utils was some important part which was missing and it was something different than AppArmor and it's needed. This is not mentioned on company's website. So I am installing AppArmor-utils by going into Ubuntu Software Center. It was easier that way rather than trying to install by apt-get. Please note that I also installed the checkboxes below in optional add-on sections. I don't know if it's necessary. After finishing the additional step, I am going ahead with regular installation method. I am running sudo space aa-complain space cupsd again. It's giving me a message, no talog stock frame act something leaking memory. I don't know what this is. This can be something we should worry about. If you know about this, please comment below and let everybody know. But it seems to work this time. It says setting /user/bin/cupsd to complaint mode. This is the next command as per company's website which creates a folder. But when I'm checking the location using the file browser in root/user/share/cups, this folder already exists. So I'm skipping this step. I am connecting the printer to computer's USB port at this point. I recommend you doing it too. Next step is to run the highlighted command. It replies blah blah, setting up HL1110 LPR, that's important. A special mention, although we are setting printer named HL-1111, the driver file names have HL1110 in it. That is how it is provided by the company at the time of making this video. Maybe the printer has some minor exterior design changes, but electronic circuit must be the same, so it is fine. Next you have to check the configuration file name /etc/printcap. I am skipping using the terminal, making my life easier by using the file browser. I am clicking on the file. I see something written about the printer model HL-1111 below. If the printer is being installed on a USB port, verify if this line exists. For network installation, it will be something different. Next command, tpkg space -l space vertical bar space grep space brother. I believe this is for checking if the printer drivers are installed. It shouldn't do anything more than that, and it should give results something like this. Now we have to restart the print system by following two commands. I don't think it worked. I don't think it's mandatory, so I'm going ahead. It is advised to try a test page at this point, so I tried to do so. It doesn't seem to work, so I proceed further. This is the second last command. Make sure to give the commands with sudo in the beginning, otherwise it refuses to accept the commands. It responds. In the third last line, it says setting up something. I believe it should be ready to function now. We'll check if the LPR driver and the cups wrapper driver are installed by following command. It should give output something like this. We'll verify this in the browser. Open Firefox or Chromium or web browser of your choice and type following address in the address bar. After clicking enter, it shows the list of printers on the left side. When click on the HL-1110 link in the connection details, our printer details should appear. Congratulations, we have finished setting up the printer. Now let's test this. I've opened LibreOffice Writer. I'm going to menu, format, page. Here we can select the paper size and orientation. If we have A4, we have to select A4. If we have legal, we have to select legal, which is a bit longer than A4. Printer also prints on more paper sizes than this. If anybody has different paper size, it's mentioned in the manual how to print on that. Better refer to it. If a horizontal print is required, then choose orientation, landscape, click OK. I have written numbers in their sizes and some font names in different languages on the page. I am clicking File, Print, and the print dialog opens. In the print dialog, we have print preview on the left side. On the right side, we have General tab and the printer model appears there. I have selected the printer and I am clicking on the Properties button. A new window opens. It has two tabs. In the Paper tab, paper size can be selected. We did this while opening the document in the beginning, but here it appears again. I don't know which one affects. I choose the appropriate paper size and orientation again over here. When I click on the Device tab, I get some more important options like resolution and toner save. I don't know if this works. Let us know by commenting if anybody knows about this. As per rough information which I got by surfing the websites, the price of the toner cartridge is almost the half than the other printers in this category. So I don't have to worry too much on saving the toner. And when I click on the OK button, it waits for a few seconds and it prints. This is the scanned image of the printout. I am able to print text in different fonts and languages and in different sizes using LibreOffice Writer and from Google Drive with a web browser. I also printed a picture in black and white from Image Viewer without any difficulty. Printing from spreadsheet and presentation program should be easy. I shall not cover that in the video. I am living happily ever after with my printer. If there are any updates, I'll post in the description. That's all. Happy printing.